Welcome everyone for lesson 4. In this session, we'll learn about few travel vocabulary, shopping words, and asking for direction, and a few travel and shopping sentences, and daily conversations. Okay, so let's start. Travel vocabulary that we generally use. What is bus called as? Bus is bus itself. See, in this vocabulary, you may find it very easy since most of the words are same in English and Telugu. So bus is bus. Train is railu. Railu. We say railway station, right? Train station. Railway station. So that it is railu. Railu. Auto is simply auto. But airport is Vimanashrayam. Vimanashrayam. So generally aeroplane we say Vimanam. So where aeroplane lands is airport, right? So in Telugu where Vimanam lands, it is Vimanashrayam. Vimanashrayam. And ticket is simply ticket, and hotel is also hotel itself. So we have to practice airport, which is Vimanashrayam. Vimanashrayam. Literal meaning of this is where plane rest. That is called Vimanashrayam. Vimanashrayam. Shopping vocabulary now. Shop is Dukanam. 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 Market is simply market. Market is called as market itself. Buy is Konandi. Konandi. Sell. Ammandi. Ammandi. Price. Dara. Dara. Money. Dabbu. Dabbu. Shop is Dukanam. Market is just market. Buy Konandi. Sell Ammandi. Price Dara. Money Dabbu. Dabbu. Now directions. What is left called as Yedama. So this is my left hand. So this is Yedama. Hand is Cheyi. So we say Yedama Cheyi. That means left hand. Left is Yedama. Then what is right? It is Kudi. This is Kudi Cheyi. That means right hand. Kudi, right is Kudi. Straight is Neruga. Look straight. That means Neruga Chudandi. Neruga is straight. Near. Near is Daggara. Daggara. Far. Duranga. Duranga. We'll repeat again. Left. Yedama. Yedama. Right. Kudi. Kudi. Straight. Neruga. Neruga. Near. Daggara. Daggara. Far. Duranga. Duranga. So now few travel sentences. Where is the bus stop? You don't know where the bus stop is when you are traveling. So you are asking some person, X person, that where is the bus stop? But he doesn't know English. He or she doesn't know English. So you are asking in Telugu since you are traveling in Telugu states. So how you say it? Bus stop ekkada undi. Bus stop ekkada undi. That means where is the bus stop? You're saying I want a ticket. That means నాకు ఒక టికెట్ కావాలి. నాకు ఒక టికెట్ కావాలి. And now you want to know which train goes to Hyderabad. So you'll ask, హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళే రైలు ఏది? హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళే రైలు ఏది? That means which train goes to Hyderabad? Let's repeat. Where is the bus stop? Bus stop ekkada undi. Bus stop ekkada undi. I want a ticket. నాకు ఒక టికెట్ కావాలి. నాకు ఒక టికెట్ కావాలి. Which train goes to Hyderabad? హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళే రైలు ఏది? హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళే రైలు ఏది? Now some shopping sentences which you use when you are shopping. So you went to a shop, dukanam, and you want to buy a product, and you are asking, what is the price of this? How much is this? To the shopkeeper. How you will ask? Idi enta. Idi enta. How much is this? And now you are asking, give me this. I want this product, so give it to me. Then you say, ఇది నాకు ఇవ్వండి. ఇది నాకు ఇవ్వండి. ఇది means the product you want to buy. నాకు means me, for myself. ఇవ్వండి means give. ఇది నాకు ఇవ్వండి. And now you got to know that product is very expensive. Okay. Then you say, ఇది ఖరీదు ఎక్కువ. ఇది ఖరీదు ఎక్కువ. Here ఖరీదు is price. ఎక్కువ means more, which means expensive. ఇది ఖరీదు ఎక్కువ. And now you find another product which is very cheap. You said this is cheap, right? Then you say in Telugu, ఇది చవక. చవక means cheap. ఇది చవక. Let's repeat again. How much is this? ఇది ఎంత? ఇది ఎంత? Give me this. ఇది నాకు ఇవ్వండి. ఇది నాకు ఇవ్వండి. This is expensive. ఇది ఖరీదు ఎక్కువ. ఇది ఖరీదు ఎక్కువ. This is cheap. ఇది చవక. ఇది చవక. That means this is cheap. Now you are asking for directions. So you forgot the way to your hotel. Let's suppose. So you are asking some like passing by. Where is the hotel? Or else where is this hotel? You are showing the hotel's name and you are asking, where is this hotel? Okay. How you will ask? ఈ హోటల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఈ హోటల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? When you know hotel's name, or else you have information about that hotel, but you don't even know where any hotel is. So you'll be asking, where is the hotel? Since you want to take a room in the hotel, then you will ask, hotel ekkada undi? Hotel ekkada undi? Go straight. So they are giving you directions. First, go straight. They say, నేరుగా వెళ్ళండి. నేరుగా వెళ్ళండి. నేరుగా వెళ్ళండి. Then turn left. Turn left. ఎడమ వైపు తిరగండి. వైపు means side. ఎడమ వైపు తిరగండి. దట్ మీన్స్ టర్న్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. ఎడమ వైపు తిరగండి. Turn right. Guess what is turn right? Since you know right is kudi, then we say kudi vaipu tiragandi. Kudi vaipu tiragandi. Let's repeat. Where is the hotel? Where is the hotel? Hotel ekkada undi. Hotel ekkada undi. Go straight. నేరుగా వెళ్ళండి. నేరుగా వెళ్ళండి. టర్న్ లెఫ్ట్. ఎడమ వైపు తిరగండి. ఎడమ వైపు తిరగండి. టర్న్ రైట్. కుడి వైపు తిరగండి. కుడి వైపు తిరగండి. And few daily travel conversation we learn. Where are you going? Now you should say, where are you going means what in Telugu? Because I have already explained this in last session. So what is where are you going is called as in Telugu. మీరు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారు? మీరు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారు? Repeat again. మీరు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారు? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. నేను మార్కెట్ కు వెళ్తున్నాను. నేను మార్కెట్ కు వెళ్తున్నాను. నేను మార్కెట్ కు వెళ్తున్నాను. Let's repeat. Where are you going? మీరు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారు? I am going to the market. నేను మార్కెట్ కి వెళ్తున్నాను. నేను మార్కెట్ కు వెళ్తున్నాను. How much is this? How much is this? ఇది ఎంత? ఇది ఎంత? It is 100 rupees. 100 is 100. So we say ఇది 100 రూపాయలు. ఇది 100 రూపాయలు. How much is this? ఇది ఎంత? ఇది ఎంత? It is 100 rupees. ఇది 100 రూపాయలు. ఇది 100 రూపాయలు. Quick revision. Bus is same. Bus. Shop. దుకాణం. దుకాణం. లెఫ్ట్. ఎడమ. ఎడమ. రైట్. కుడి. కుడి. టికెట్. టికెట్. ప్రైజ్. ధర. ధర. బస్. బస్. షాప్. దుకాణం. లెఫ్ట్. ఎడమ. రైట్. కుడి. టికెట్. టికెట్. ప్రైజ్. ధర. ప్రైజ్. ధర. That's it for today's lesson. Next lesson we'll cover food orders and restaurant conversations. Because obviously when you will be traveling, you have to eat food. And since you won't be able to cook that much when you are traveling, so obviously we'll go for restaurants or order food, right? So how to do conversation with the management or workers in the restaurant, those conversations we will learn in the next lesson. Thank you. ధన్యవాదములు.